We are here to tell you how we made our compost tumbler. We started out with a black barrel, and Stephen built this simple A-frame wood stand, and he drilled holes for a pipe to run through. He also drilled holes in one side of the pipe so that a screw could be drilled straight down through there, and the pipe wouldn't walk back and forth in the stand. This is the other side of the stand. It looks just the same as the first side. The pipe comes all the way through. He cut a hole out of the top of the barrel. Down inside you can see that he ran a corrugated plastic drain tile, and it has little slots in it, little holes to allow air to pass through the barrel into the center of your compost. At the very bottom of the barrel there are some plugs. He drilled holes through those plugs to allow for drainage as the compost process happens. He also drilled some holes in the very bottom of the barrel to let your compost drain. You can see the metal post went through the drain tile as well as out the other side of the barrel to allow it to tumble and spin. On the top he put on 4 latches, and these round plastic disc-like things. Those round discs are actually the part of the barrel that he cut out of the lid and the bottom of the barrel, those holes. And the purpose of those is to hold the lid in place while he latches. So he'll show you how he puts the latch on there. The drain tile comes out the top. He latches it in place. And then he can give it a spin. We also drilled some holes in the sides of the barrel in 3 different sections, like 3 rings around the barrel. I don't know if you can see them, but I'll show you. There's a little hole there, and you come down and there's another hole and another hole, and there are just a few of those around the outside of the barrel just to allow more air to get in. And this is a spot that we chose that gets a lot of sun all day long. It's evening now, so it's not quite so sunny, but it gets lots of sun, lots of air, and should give us great compost. Thanks, dear.
Thank you.